Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add a PDF or MP3 to your website at connect.dataczar.com. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to dataczar.com. We're going to click Login. We're going to get our username, which is our email address, and our password. And that's going to take us to Dashboard. Let's go ahead and get rid of this here, and let's go full screen. So from Dashboard, to work on the website, we're going to click on the Website button. We're going to be working with Pages. Now the website builder for Pages and Posts is identical, but we're going to work with Pages today. But the first thing we need to do is we need to add our PDF and our MP3 to our content. So we're going to click the Content button, and then we're just going to upload it from our computer. So we click the Choose Files right here, and it's going to end up going into My Files. So we're going to click Choose Files right here. And then we're going to find our folder, and then we're going to find the PDF right here, and we're going to click the green upload button. Now I already have it uploaded into My Files right here, so I'm not going to click that green button, but I'm just showing you how to upload it from your computer. So you go Choose Files, and then you find your folder and find your file. Here's the PDF, so you double click on that and just click the green upload button. Takes you to My Files, and it loads them into there. So let's go back to Website right here, and we're going to go ahead and add those to our home page. So first let's look at our website. This is the AAA Outdoor Scenes website we've been working on. We're just going to add them to the home page here right under this Visit Bungee America. We're going to add them right in here. So let's go back, and we're going to click on Pages, and we're going to edit our home index page. So let's go ahead and click Edit. And then we're going to scroll down, and here's the Bungee America. So let's go a couple down, and we're going to put PDF file name. Click here, and we'll do MP3 file name. Click here. Okay, so this is where we're going to add them. So for the PDF, what you do is you're going to highlight that, and you're going to click on the Insert Edit Link icon right here, the third or fourth icon from the right. So click on the Insert Edit Link, and then use the search folder right here. And then you're going to go to My Files. That's where we put them. And here's the PDF, so we're going to click on Use. And we're going to open this in a new window on our website rather than in the same window. So we could do none, but we're going to leave it as new window. We're going to click OK. And then there it is. That's linked up right here because it's now in blue. So now let's do the MP3. So we're going to highlight the MP3. And then we're going to click on the Insert Edit Link icon right here. We're going to do the search file right here. And we're going to go to My Files just like we did last time. And here's the MP3, so we're going to click Use. And now that's in here in the URL. And then we're going to click OK. And that's been added here. So after you make an edit to your website, you always click the Update button. And now it's updated. So let's go back to the website. And here's the website. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh the website. Do Control F5, and there they are, voila. So we added the PDF and we added the MP3, and let's click on it and see that it worked. And there it is. There's the PDF, and let's click on the MP3, make sure that worked. And there it is, and it's playing music right now. So let's go back there. Actually, let me stop that because it's playing it in my ear. So let's go back to the AAA Outdoor Scenes. So there it is. We added the PDF and the MP3 to our home page. And now I'm going to tab through these and go back to Connect. And here we are back on Connect. This is Pages where we did our editing, and then we clicked Update down here. So let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how you add a PDF or MP3 to your website with Dataczar Connect.